I'm not a lawyer, but I used to evaluate disability claims, which meant I frequently interacted with clients who had legal representation. One man, whose attorney had advised him not to communicate with us directly, a very sound and basic recommendation, called me up, furious, to argue that his lawyer was wrong. He could absolutely do things like grocery shopping, mowing the lawn, and handling household chores without any issues. Having reviewed his medical records, I knew there was no way he was managing all of this without significant difficulty, so I probed a little deeper. He could go grocery shopping, but only if he used a mobility scooter and had his wife help him carry the items inside. He could mow the lawn, but only with a riding mower and after taking breaks every 10 minutes. As for housework, it was limited to wiping down counters and folding laundry but not carrying it. I immediately called his attorney and updated them after the conversation ended. I approved his claim, but that man is extremely fortunate that I was willing to spend an extra 15 minutes working with him. I served on a jury where, on the first day, the defendant showed up wearing the exact same outfit as the unknown suspect seen in the video of the crime. It took only a few seconds for the judge to call an immediate halt to proceedings. All the lawyers went to the back with the judge, and about 7 minutes later, they came back and announced that the defendant had taken a plea deal. It was quite an experience. Not a lawyer, but I know a police officer who responded to a report of someone being mugged. What did he steal? PD 275 in cash and around 30-piece Sten bags of crack and heroin. Really? Yep, I've known him for years, and he's a rival. The officer wrote a statement detailing the theft. Sign here if everything is absolutely correct. What happened and what was stolen? The man sighed. Thanks. You're under arrest for involvement in the supply of Class A drugs. The officer ended up prosecuting both the caller for possession with intent to distribute and the robber for robbery and possession with intent to supply.